Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Tuna Lumpiang Shanghai. First, drain 2 cans of tuna well to remove excess liquid. Finely chop 1 small onion and 1/2 cup of carrots. In a bowl, combine the tuna, onion, carrots, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Mix everything thoroughly until well combined, ensuring a consistent filling. Now, let's get to rolling. Lay a lumpia wrapper flat on a clean surface. Place about 1 tablespoon of the tuna mixture near one corner. Fold that corner over the filling, then fold in the 2 side corners towards the center. Roll the wrapper tightly from the bottom up, creating a compact cylinder. Use a dab of water or egg wash on the final corner to seal it securely. Frying is key for that perfect crispiness. Heat about 2 inches of vegetable oil in a deep pan over medium heat until it reaches 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place a few lumpia into the hot oil, making sure not to overcrowd the pan. Fry them for about 3 to 5 minutes, turning occasionally until they are beautifully golden brown and crispy. Remove and drain on a wire rack. Your delicious Tuna Lumpiang Shanghai is now ready to enjoy. Serve them hot and fresh for the best experience. They pair wonderfully with a sweet chili sauce or a simple dipping sauce made from vinegar, soy sauce, and a pinch of sugar. These crispy treats are perfect as an appetizer or a snack. Enjoy your homemade, easy-to-make Lumpiang Shanghai.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.